What's up everybody? So last night, was it last night? Like this, recently I was reading through the comments because I was like, what types of videos do you guys want to see? And there were so many comments saying do more hydro dips. So I was like, if you guys want to see hydro dips, I like doing hydro dips, I'm gonna do more hydro dips. So I went out and I got some all white VANS old schools, and I got some new spray paints as well. I got purple and I got dark blue because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a galaxy hydro dip. Now, you guys, that could have just exploded in my face if I hit it any harder. But basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be spraying them blue and purple to like try and get like the galaxy kind of theme, and then once I've sprayed them using the blue and purple, I'm going to be like painting on the stars afterwards. That should give you like the galaxy theme, because at first they might just look like really blue and purple. I'm going to basically making some galaxy hydro dips VANS old school. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Now they're fully taped, I've just got to spray them with primer. Now the shoes are fully primed, they're ready to be dipped. So the colours I'm going to be using are dark blue and purple. The VANS are fully primed and ready to go, so let's get straight into spraying. The first dip is ready to go, so now I'm going to go ahead and dip the VANS in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like then. Whoa, that's pretty sick. So yeah, this is what the first one looks like. It's gonna look pretty sick when I put the stars on and they look more like, you know, like galaxy. Yeah, so this is what the first one looks like. I'm gonna put it to the side to dry, and now I'm gonna go ahead and spray for the second dip. So this is what the second dip looks like then. This time I tried to put more swirls in because the first time I did it, there weren't that many swirls. I still think it looked pretty cool on the shoes, but you know, I tried to put like, you know, you can see like there's 3 swirls on this one. So yeah, this is what the second dip looks like then. I've got the shoes completely ready to go, ready to be dipped. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in now in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whoa! They look like Barney shoes. I think they look cool. I think they're going to look really sick when I put the stars on. But like the swirls at the front, I do think they look pretty sick. And it seems to have stuck to the canvas, the VANS material, pretty well as well. You can see all the swirls on the inside. I think they look pretty sick, but we're just going to have to see what they look like once I put the stars on. So yeah, this is what the second shoe looks like. I'm going to put it to the side, wait for it to dry, then I'm going to come back, take the tape off, add the stars, lace them up, and then show you what they look like completely finished. Let's go. So this is what they look like completely finished then. The galaxy hydro dipped VANS old schools. When I was doing them, I was like, bro, like I just think they're gonna look too good because like the blue and the purples really weren't standing out too much. But I think they look much better now that I've added the stars onto them. I think they do look like galaxy like hydro dip VANS, but before when I took them out, I don't think they did at all. But yeah, this is what they look like completely finished then. I think they turned out pretty cool. But as always, make sure to let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Would you rock them? Make sure to let me know down below. Today's comment shout out goes to Tommy. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe down below for more videos from me. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Also, one more thing, I did say that I was using Spider-Man comic book Air Force right there. I did say I was gonna give them away. So basically, we're gonna go onto the computer right now, and I'm gonna go on this website. I've never used it, but hopefully it works. And basically, I'm gonna like enter like the YouTube video, and then it'll pick a comment at random. So like if you commented and you entered the giveaway and it picks your comment, then you won the comic book Air Force. So yeah, let's just go onto the computer right now. I'm gonna go ahead and click get YouTube comments, and then it should just pick a comment for me. If your name pops up, then you won. Let's see who won the raffle. Hey, this is the person that won. I'd actually rock those. I actually want them. Phil Weaver. Let me just check. Let me check on Instagram that you're following me, and let me check that you followed the rules too, and then I'll come back. So I just checked, and shout out to Phil because you won the comic book Air Force Ones. If you didn't win, don't worry because I'm going to do another one very soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. This is the first time I've ever like done like a hydro dip and then painting on them. So maybe I'll do another one soon. Who knows? If you want to see one, let me know in the comments. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.